Your paycheck disappeared faster than you ever expected. Bills arrive before your next paycheck even appears. Everyone online looks richer than you somehow. Every choice feels expensive before you even decide. But this isn't really about bad budgeting at all. Your money already has owners before you receive it. Working harder doesn't always move you forward anymore. Even basic groceries suddenly feel like luxury purchases. Housing costs keep climbing faster than your paycheck. Many begin adulthood already financially behind everyone else. The rules changed, but expectations never really did. Debt quietly grows while you're focused on surviving. More hours often replace the life you're chasing. Then a frightening question suddenly appears. What if the system wasn't designed for easy success? Escaping requires understanding the maze before running. One missing piece changes everything you'll see next. The problem may be bigger than your personal choices. Understanding the game changes how you play forever. The real reason is far more surprising than you think. Living costs started climbing much faster than ordinary incomes. Raises feel exciting until inflation quietly steals them back. Small financial leaks slowly become massive monthly losses. Money disappears quietly because convenience feels completely harmless. The lifestyle you're comparing against isn't always completely real. Modern marketing constantly blurs needs and unnecessary wants. Every day you're encouraged to spend before thinking. Smart choices often feel lonely before they become rewarding. Small financial decisions quietly create enormous future differences. The hardest investment is choosing patience over immediate comfort. Skills usually grow faster than salaries over time. The future rewards people who learn alongside artificial intelligence. Opportunities often arrive through people before qualifications. Direction beats endless hustle almost every single time. Income is usually the visible result of invisible habits. Freedom begins with removing one financial burden at a time. Consistency quietly outperforms dramatic financial decisions over years. Small habits eventually create life-changing financial momentum. Everything changes once you see the entire financial picture. Next, you'll discover what actually separates people who eventually build wealth. Wealth often begins with one invisible decision every single day. One buys status, another quietly buys future opportunities. Skills quietly compound while possessions slowly lose value. Urgency is often designed to override logical thinking. The biggest financial prison is usually emotional, not mathematical. Clear goals reduce expensive emotional decisions dramatically. Income usually follows value created, not hours worked alone. Saving protects money. Investing gives it room to grow. Tiny daily actions create surprisingly massive long-term outcomes. Time quietly becomes your greatest financial advantage or enemy. Future wealth often looks surprisingly ordinary in the beginning. Attention is becoming one of your most valuable financial assets. Real wealth grows across multiple areas of your life. There was always a path, it was simply hard to notice. One final obstacle still stops most people from crossing. Discipline quietly builds bridges that motivation never finishes. Progress begins when consistent action replaces constant anxiety. Behind this door hides the biggest financial misconception of all. Everything changes once this final belief disappears forever. The truth you're about to hear changes everything about money. Most people were taught a rule that no longer works. Effort alone doesn't guarantee financial progress anymore. The market rewards value, not simply endless effort. Tomorrow's highest incomes depend on adaptable human skills. Real wealth grows from multiple habits working together. Every dollar quietly chooses your future before you do. Short-term sacrifice often creates long-term financial freedom. Small wins become powerful once momentum starts building. Patience creates rewards that urgency can never deliver. Ownership slowly changes the direction of your entire life. Owning assets lets your money start working too. Depending on one paycheck creates unnecessary financial risk. Clear priorities make expensive distractions lose their power. Your 20s aren't behind you until you stop improving. Everything changes after one meaningful financial decision. Every setback becomes valuable once you truly learn from it. Perspective reveals shortcuts that panic could never notice. One final realization separates frustration from lasting financial confidence. This final lesson might completely change your financial mindset. The ending will show why your 20s aren't actually the problem. Your 20s aren't a deadline. They're your foundation. Strong foundations always come before impressive results. Your habits decide your future long before your salary does. Tiny daily choices quietly reshape your financial future. Delayed gratification creates opportunities instant pleasure never can. Knowledge becomes more valuable when it's shared with others. Your burdens shrink as your abilities continue growing. Consistency eventually creates results that seem almost unbelievable. 10 years of consistency can completely transform your life. Progress compounds quietly before becoming impossible to ignore. Stop measuring your life against someone else's timeline. Confidence grows when your priorities become crystal clear. Action always beats perfect planning in the real world. Small victories deserve celebration because they create lasting momentum. The obstacles looked biggest when you stood inside them. Simple systems usually outperform complicated financial strategies. Your example can inspire someone else's financial breakthrough tomorrow. The next chapter of your financial story begins today. Progress belongs to people willing to begin imperfectly. Your 20s aren't impossible. They're where extraordinary futures quietly begin.